everyone, and welcome to the first video of learning computer basic skills with me. If you or you know of someone that struggles with computers or using them, this video is for you. I've noticed that since the pandemic started, a lot of people are having to turn to computers now, whether it be to communicate for work, communicate for school, or just, a virtual meeting with a friend. If you don't know how to work a computer, I am here for you. I want to help you. First off, I want to say that working with the computer is something very helpful for you. It might be scary at first because you don't know what to do, but as you start practicing, like anything else in life, practice makes you better at it. So start first day. If you don't feel comfortable, keep going. Eventually, you're gonna see that you're better at computers, and that fear that you once started with will be long gone. So in this video, I will be showing you about hardware. So enjoy. So today I'm going to show you the laptop hardware or computer hardware. So basically this is the actual things you can see and touch on a computer. This is what we'll be going over, okay? First, we'll go over the power button, okay? So it has this kind of image. Every laptop or computer is different of where this is found. I could show you this one on this computer. It's to the right and it has a little symbol. But sometimes it's even just a circular button that you press on, or it might be on the actual side of the laptop that you could press on as well. You just have to find where in your computer that is, but usually you will see this little icon on it or near it. Okay. Next is the mouse. Okay, not all laptops come with the mouse, but you can definitely connect one. Okay, so now they sell these like at Walmart for like $9. They're a wireless mouse, and it comes with the little USB. You put it in your computer and you're able to use the mouse as if you were connected with the computer. If you do not have the mouse, you can see this little mouse pad. On most laptops, it will be in the center. Some of them will also have two buttons, a left button here and a right button. Basically, you're able to do the same things as if a real mouse, left click and right click, and that's what you'll find here. The rest of this part of the mouse pad you could do with your finger, move around, and it'll move the little mouse icon on your laptop. On top, we have the keyboard. You'll see you'll have all your numbers. Above the numbers, you have symbols. If you want to press the symbols on the top, you'll have to put shift, this up arrow. So basically lets you click the top icons of the numbers. Then you also have the letters. Here you also have other symbols that go with it. You have the backspace, which is kind of a delete. On top of the backspace, you have an actual delete. Enter, so this goes down into a next line if you're writing a Word document, but it can also be enter like submit. Then you have another shift here. You have side arrows, up and down arrows. Then you have this in the middle. It's just a space bar. You add a space. You have caps lock, which this capitalizes all your letters. Tab, you add an indentation. And then you have functions at the top. Not all laptops come with it, but you can either change the lighting of the keyboard, or the sound of your computer, brightness. But yeah, this is a main function. And then you could also have this Windows. If you have a Windows laptop, basically this opens up the start screen on your laptop, and we'll go over more of that in future videos. Next, we have the charging port. You'll either find this circular one or you'll find the Type-C. It all depends on your laptop, but it's usually the one that comes with your charger, and you'll be able to find those. It usually has a little outlet logo on it. Then we have a USB port. So this is a USB. In a USB, you could save files, whether they're images, Word documents, music, That all depends on what you want to save, and this is the port for it. Next, we have the HDMI port. You can see here. This is the actual HDMI cable. It's usually used to connect to different monitors or TVs. As you can see here, this laptop is connected to a bigger monitor, and you could replicate. Sometimes you could even split the screen. It all just depends on what you want to do, but you'll be using the HDMI port for that. Next, you have SD card ports, whether it's the micro SD card, which is the smaller one, or the actual SD card, it's a bigger one. In the SD cards, you could save all types of stuff like images, videos, sometimes even files, kind of like a USB, okay? But it's usually used more for images or videos. Next is the audio jack. So you'll usually have this little headset connected to it. You could either connect headphones or you connect earbuds like this. Next is the Ethernet port. This is the Ethernet cable. And what you could connect to the Ethernet is basically your actual network, your actual internet. Either if you're using Wi-Fi, you won't be using this. But if you're connecting the actual internet connection to your computer, you'll be using the Ethernet port. And yeah, guys, so I want to thank you for watching that first video of computer hardware. I want to encourage you to just go take a look at your laptop and see if you have these ports. Start touching the keyboard just to get a feel of it, moving the mouse pad. And next, I'll be showing you the actual first screen that you will see when you turn on your computer. So thanks again for watching it, and I'll look forward to the next video. See you guys.